Imagine a world where every mountain, river, and leaf is made from colorful clay. This is Slovenia. Tucked in the heart of Europe, Slovenia's wonders are as amazing as those on the biggest continents. The colors are brighter, the air fresher. It feels like stepping into a living cartoon. Here, every step shows a new scene, a new shade of green or blue. This land invites you to feel its very fabric. A mix of landscapes, each piece perfectly placed. One moment, you touch the clay of the Julian Alps. The next, you trace the cool surface of an underground river. Sun warms the clay-tiled roofs of villages, while wind whispers through dense painted forests. Look closely. The bark of trees shows the thumbprints of creation. Streams shimmer as if freshly glazed. Slovenia's magic is in the details. It makes you slow down and notice the intricate beauty. We set off as explorers in this handcrafted world, from famous lakes to secret valleys. We'll meet the people who call this clay kingdom home and learn their stories. Prepare to be enchanted and see Europe as never before. Our Slovenian claymation adventure has just begun. This is a story of nature's artistry, a testament to beauty found in the smallest details. Let's begin our journey through this miniature paradise. The wonders that await are beyond imagination. Our first stop is Lake Bled, a fairy tale scene of turquoise water and a tiny island with a church on top. Glide across the lake in a traditional pletna boat, soaking in the peace. 99 stone steps lead to the church, where a wishing bell rings across the water. The Julian Alps and an old castle frame this magical setting. Nearby, Lake Bohinj offers a wilder beauty, Slovenia's largest lake, deep blue and surrounded by Triglav National Park. Its shores are lined with pebbles and ancient forests, the air smelling of pine and earth. At one end, the Savica waterfall tumbles down a steep cliff, its mist refreshing. Bohinj is a place for quiet thinking, where nature's raw power is on full display. Here, beauty is wild, shaped only by time and the weather. These lakes are Slovenia's jewels, one polished, one wild. Each invites you to pause, reflect, and connect with the natural world. The adventure continues deeper into Slovenia's heart. We venture into Triglav National Park, the heart of the Julian Alps and Slovenia's only national park. Named for Mount Triglav, its 3 peaks are a national symbol. The mountains are dramatic, jagged masses streaked with green forests. Wildflower valleys and crystal streams weave through this ancient landscape. Wildlife thrives here. Chamois leap, ibex graze, and golden eagles soar. Every creature plays a part in this intricate ecosystem. Triglav is a sanctuary, protected for future generations. Standing in its valleys, you feel profound peace and humility. This is the true magic of Triglav beauty that moves your soul. Our journey leads to the Socha Valley, where the river glows emerald green, cutting through white limestone canyons. Wooden bridges cross the vibrant water, offering new views. Once a battleground, today the valley is a haven for adventure and awe. Next, the Logar Valley unfolds, a glacial sanctuary of meadows, hayracks, and timeless farmhouses. The Kamnik Savinja Alps cradle the valley, with the Rinka waterfall plunging into a calm pool. Logar is a place for slow walks and quiet reflection. Here, nature and tradition blend seamlessly. These valleys are Slovenia's whispered secrets, shaped by time. They invite you to reconnect with nature and with yourself. We go down into the Škocjan Caves, a UNESCO marvel of vast underground canyons carved by the Reka River. The colossal chambers and echoing river create an awe-inspiring, cathedral-like space. Crossing the Cerkvenik Bridge, suspended high above the roaring water, is unforgettable. Emerging into daylight, we find Prajama Castle, built into a cliffside cave, blending architecture and geology. Its white walls rise from the rock, a fortress shaped by legend and defiance. The castle's secret caves once sheltered a rebellious knight, adding intrigue to its history. Exploring its rooms and tunnels is like stepping into a fantasy. Here, nature and human cleverness merge in dramatic harmony. These wonders reveal Slovenia's hidden depths, both above and below ground. No journey through Slovenia is complete without enjoying its culture and food. Influences from Italy, Austria, Hungary, and the Balkans blend into something uniquely Slovenian. The language's dual form reflects a culture of close connections and warmth. Hearty dishes like šlikrofi dumplings, kranjska klobasa sausage, and patika pastry celebrate local flavors. Famous hayraks and beekeeping traditions show Slovenian artistry and pride. The Carniolan honeybee and painted beehive panels are folk art in living color. Slovenia's wine regions offer crisp whites and rich reds, with family vineyards at their heart. Sharing food and wine here is sharing the Slovenian spirit, generous, proud, and deeply rooted in the land. Our claymation journey ends, but your adventure is just beginning. Slovenia invites you to hike, taste, and explore its handcrafted world. From fairy tale lakes to wild mountains, every corner holds a new surprise. The scale is epic, yet the warmth is intimate, nature and culture in perfect harmony. Profound experiences await in quiet places and shared moments. Slovenia is not just a place to visit, it's a feeling. Come, create your own story in this miniature paradise. The wonders of Slovenia are waiting, your journey starts now.